Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this reading we'll see what is on your person's mind. So I'll be taking one card each for their feelings, and then if there is any obstacle and what is that they are not coming to you, or what is the obstacle in this relationship, and what are they planning to act, or what is the action they're planning to take in the near future. Okay, so let's see what's there in your person's mind. What are their feelings for you? What are their feelings for Geminis? Okay, so the feelings we have the Ace of Cups. That's very beautiful. For the obstacles, this is flipping up the Ten of Swords. Let's see. What is the obstacle in this path, if there is any? What is the obstacle in this path? We have the Nine of Wands as the obstacle. What are they planning to do in the near future? What are the action they are planning to take? The Devil. Okay. So, for their feelings, we have the Ace of Cups. So definitely, they have a lot of emotions for you. They really see you as if you are giving them all the emotional fulfillment, all the emotional commitment. They really see you as their wish fulfillment. Okay, so let's see what is this. Let's clarify this Ace of Cups. What is this Ace of Cups? Clarifiers for this Ace of Cups. So for the Ace of Cups, we have the Hangman. Okay. The Magician and the King of Swords. So what I feel here is that with the Hangman, the Magician and the King of Swords, this person really sees you as some sort of a new beginning also in their life. Okay. So maybe the situation was stagnant between both of you since a long time. Okay, so the feelings are that this person feels that this situation was stuck since a long time, and they are manifesting it. They are really manifesting it in a new way. They feel as if, but with the King of Swords, this person feels little detached also. So what I am trying to say here is that this person is not opening up as much as they would, because perhaps this relationship was stagnant since a long time and now it has picked up pace. It can be this also, because I see a new beginning here with the Magician. It is a new beginning here, so it can be a new beginning in a relationship which was stuck or stagnant since a long time for some reason. Okay, and with the King of Swords, this person is not opening up too much. Okay, they are still a bit reluctant, though they see you as a wish fulfillment, but maybe because it was stuck for some reason, whatever reason it was, this person is not that open, is not feeling that open to communicate totally. Okay, so that is their feeling, but yes, they are trying to manifest this new beginning with you. Okay, and they do want it. So that is what they are feeling, and that is the reason that they are not opening up as much as they would like to. Like to. Okay, let's see what is this obstacle. For the Knight of Wands is coming up as the obstacle. So maybe some sort of a passion is lacking. There is less of passion, or at least they are not showing the passion. Okay, maybe that is, so that is an obstacle over here. So this person is not showing their passion towards you. Okay, even if they are not showing it, or the passion is lacking for some reason. That is the obstacle. Let's see, what is this Knight of Wands here for? What is this Knight of Wands here for? What is the clarifiers for the Knight of Wands? So for the Knight of Wands, we have the King of Swords. Sorry, the King of Swords, this is the Knight of Swords. Yes, the Six of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles. So one more thing I would like to point out here, Geminis, is the Knight of Wands sometimes seems to be a very temporary energy. Okay, so maybe this is the obstacle, that just I didn't speak first because now we have the Knight of Swords also. So it gives a little more energy to that vibe, that this person may be 1 foot in, 1 foot out in your relationship. And that is the obstacle, that this person, even if they have feelings, they are not committing. They are not moving forward much, they are not showing much, though they are trying to manifest a new beginning. And maybe this is the reason that the relationship has been stuck for some time, or for a long time. So as the obstacle, we have the Knight of Swords, Six of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. So what I feel here is that this person with the Knight of Swords, this person is 1 foot in, 1 foot out. Perhaps they are juggling, perhaps they are maybe they have some other person also in their life, or they do something secretly. Okay, they are not giving you 100%. Basically, for whatever reason they are doing, with the Six of Pentacles, they are trying to balance something in their life. But with the Ace of Swords, definitely they do want a new beginning, though it is. See, one more thing is that the new beginning is lacking because of this reason. I should like put it like that, that this new beginning with the Ace of Swords, which could have come very easily, this is lacking because of the lack of passion, and that lack of passion is because this person is not 100% into you. This person is, it's like some sort of a give and take between both of you. Okay, it is a relationship in which the equal amount is given and taken. It's something like that. Okay, it's something like that, and maybe this person has somebody else also in their life, and this is the obstacle which is coming in the fruition of this relationship. For the most likely outcome is the Devil. So this is control, not releasing the control. So I think this person doesn't even want to lose you. Let's see what are the clarifiers, and maybe this person is, it's something toxic which is holding this relationship, and this person is not even releasing you and not even committing to you, something like that. Okay, and that is what that is come in their actions. So I think let's see the clarifiers. Anyway, what is this Devil card here for? What are they planning to do? What is the clarifiers for this Devil card, please? Why is this Devil card here for? Sorry. The cards are just, why is this Devil card here in their actions? So for that we have the Hermit, the Knight of Pentacles, and the Star. So what I feel here is, this is coming in their actions in the near future, what they want to do. So I really don't think that this person is taking a major move. Yes, with the Knight of Pentacles, they will keep you. They will keep you to themselves. Some sort of love will be shown, definitely. It is not that they won't show you love, but the Knight of Pentacles is very slow. With the Hermit being there, it is though they are trying to be intuitive, listening to their own voice. But what I feel is this person has some control issues, perhaps. And with the Star being there, even if you may be their dream fulfillment, even if they would wish this thing to be true, but what I feel here is that this person is very, very slow in their movement forward. So I don't think they are planning to make any major move forward towards you. I really don't think nothing, no major action or a fast action will be taken towards you. And with the Devil, it is sort of a controlling energy, I would say. It is not a very good energy, and maybe they will just keep you just because they want you to be there, but they don't want to commit to you. And since you are there, so there's no need also to commit to you. It's something like that. So this person is controlling, they won't release the control, and it will be as it is. That's what I feel. They just want you to be there. They don't want to release you. That is the thing which I'm getting again and again, Geminis. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.